Vidyalaya Mallareddy Hospital started off as a 500-bedded facility in Hyderabad in the February month of this year. Narayana Hrudayalaya Hospitals, whose landmark achievement is we are the largest cardiac care providers in the world. We do highest number of heart operations in the world. Over 50 operations are performed in our institutes in the world. As a part of this, we have started with a multi-speciality hospital in GD Metla. What we noticed is several of these high population areas, for example like Kukatpalli, if somebody suffers from a heart attack, they may not even reach a decent hospital because of the traffic which is there and because of the density of the traffic and time it takes to reach a decent hospital. Keeping this in view, we thought that we should be having at least 10 to 12 peripheral outreach centers in the next year across Twin Cities, such that the patients who are in the need of specialists, they don't have to get caught in this high traffic and sometimes may even lose their lives. So on this note, we are today inaugurating our first peripheral outreach center in Kukatpalli Housing Board area. Now, as you may know, Kukatpalli Housing Board area is the largest residential area in the whole Asia, and it has got a high density of both middle class, lower class as well as higher class people. So to be accessible to them, we have started off with this peripheral outreach clinic today, and similar clinics will be coming in 10 to 12 other areas, as I said. The idea is specialists will be available in various specialities in these clinics, including investigations like treadmill test and echo, which can be done here for a good part of the day. And any patient who comes in here can be initially stabilized and can be transported with an ambulance which is going to be stationed here to our hospital, and this route actually beats the traffic, and still the so-called the door to intervention time can be minimized in cardiac patients. And I also want to emphasize that this is not just cardiac care, but we have multi-speciality hospital. So somebody coming with labor pains or somebody coming with any other events like trauma or orthopedic or neurosurgery patients, all these patients can be transported to our hospital quickest, and we should be able to give that accessibility of specialists to these people who require these services very badly in this part of the city. Thank you.